seems wonderful, sir. I just have to talk with my parents and I'll get back to you as soon as possible, sir. So, okay, sir. Yeah, I'll give the phone to him. Thank you, sir. It was great talking to you.
Thank you very much, sir. Very kind of you. Oh yeah, we were open. I was coming out of office all through the lockdown. I'm not gone to Bangalore yet. Same to you, sir. Same to you. Right. print எடுத்துட்டீங்களா இமெயில் ஃபார்வர்ட் பண்ண எஸ்எம்ஐ நிலமன் ப்ராப்ளம்னு இருக்கு ஃபண்டு வேணும் பிலிப்பின் ஸ்பான்சர் பண்ணுறதுக்கு இந்த டாக்குமெண்ட் எடுத்து பிரிண்ட் எடுத்துட்டு அங்கே போய் பேங்க்கில் கொடுக்கணும் கன்ஃபார்மாக எடுத்துருக்கேன் யா டெல் மீ சாரி
Yes, that makes us clear, like, there are other times, like,
see
finally get to talk to someone who is like, really into aviation.
See, that is there. That is one part of it. Okay. The second part of it, mandatory is you can be sure that your papers are in safe hands.
Okay.
I would need your academic copies, except for the final mark sheet what you are expecting. I would need your academic copies, based on which I can take a call and we can start the process. See, you don't be under the influence of the fact that you can give me the papers at the neck of the moment and say I wanted admission. No, I'm not going to do it. I'll be honest. My words may be piercing through hot butter, but this is true. I cannot do it in 5 days. As I have told you, I have got 2 seats left. So I have to fill it up as early as possible with the revenue perspective for my organization also. I hope you agree with that. So you take your call, discuss it with your family. I think coming on board for IITS should not be a problem to you, correct?
Yeah.
See, what happens when you come on board for IITS component, then you start getting acclimatized to the brand called Samsung. You see things happening, turning around and so many things. I would suggest you are not coming for the mainline admission also, you start off with your IITS. Any other questions?
That will be also. I'll just get back to you, maybe a couple of days.
Let me know. Madam Lata will be in touch with you. She will be in touch with you. I wouldn't be able to do all the calls and all that. And I give you my card. I'm available on WhatsApp. Okay? You send me a text message, and in case if you are able to reach me over phone, wonderful. I wouldn't be. Today my phone is normally silent. Otherwise I have calls coming in continuously, or I am making calls. On a mobile chat, you can talk to Madam Lata, or you want to talk to me, you can WhatsApp me, or my number is very available and you can call me.
Perfect.
Yeah? Anything else?
That's all for today.
Thank you very much. Nice meeting you, gentlemen.
Sure.